Ooh, this lighting's crazy. Day 2 in SOLAIRE Hotel. View still really nice though.
Oh, half and half.
Nah, you got this, man. Nah, full scoop it right away, man.
Come on. Come out, bro. Watch me. I'll prove you wrong again.
Yeah, with that yellow ass teeth. Yeah, or everything, babe. Everything. Everything.
Not even coming out, bro. I have to do half. Let's come out.
No, it can come out. You just have to top it harder, man. Oh. The room is so big. You can do like backflips. Cartwheels. I can't do backflips. I can barely do a cartwheel. Maybe I'm just a bored individual. I'm alone here. Help me. Everyone's out. Help me. Okay, I just looked back to the clip and that was the worst cartwheel I've ever seen in my whole life. That was so bad. But this view though. Okay, you know what? It's like I love the joys. Me at the Joyce and Michael are about to go hit a workout, so yeah, it's been a while since I worked out. Like had an actual proper workout, so hopefully SOLAIRE Gym will support that for me. Yeah, so we're gonna go hit a workout. After that, probably have a nice dinner. Big ass mirror. Me and my cousin's about to go hit the gym. See you there. Boop. Hey guys, where are we going, guys?
I think we're gonna see this guy called Jim.
Spell Jim. J-I-M. Jim.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
Okay. Yes, it is. So. Nice.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Oh.
Dripping lights, paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
Yes, oh my god. Woo.
Can make
Come
me
on.
move.
Ooh. This lighting's crazy. Flex. just finished a workout with my cousins.
This one is the MVP.
And we cold towels.
Not the flex.
How was everybody's workout?
It was good.
Dead. Tired. We're gonna go freshen up before dinner. At what restaurant?
KIWA.
KIWA.
Korean restaurant.
Korean restaurant.
I don't know how to be Korean. I think they do this thing.
Headed back to the suite. Really good workout. It's been a while. It's been a while since I had a good workout. Now I gotta hurry up and freshen up before dinner. Low-key flexing. Oh god. Did just drink like 5 bottles of water, which is why I'm like hella bloated right now. But yeah. Taking a shower and then on to dinner. Let's go, mother.
Ay, yung pag-hit.
Oh, check it. We got some kimchi, we got some beans, we got some.
Yung grill or na?
String beans.
Tapos pag mahurot na pwede ka makayo.
So good.
Unlimited namin.
So good. Nancy, you got something on your lips, buddy.
Oh, give it, buddy.
Let's get it up, man. You got it. Nice. This place is great, man. Korean food and Japanese food. So good. Ass makes fun of me. Nice.
You want?
Korean barbecue.
No, I guess game.
Yung isa siguro sa Pilipino lang yun, ano? Pero kang bongdil, grabe, kinakain nila mga risotto.
Go.
Ng mga insects.
Got good.
Best ba yun? Scorpion.
Small?
Parang
Explores,
paglunok mo. Kumain kami, hindi kami.
I still like the one yesterday.
Ito, ito. Bigyan mo naman. Ano natin para magamit na?
Good for that.
Sahig masusulo.
Pepper it.
I don't know.
Shrimp's actually very
They're own. You can like to show us. Tell us how to do it.
Tell us.
Oh. Lambe.
Yummy.
Syrup.
My turn.
Your turn.
Open in your eyes.
Get it. Bag it. Ako, Ate Joyce.
Mike, bigyan mo ako. Bigyan mo ako.
No other way.
You know.
Wala na ako yung...
Lalaki yung kanina.
There was a small accident. Alright, it's your turn, buddy. Shove it in.
Oh.
Shove it in, man. Shove it in. Let's go.
Oh, no.
Go. Put it all in. Let's go.
Yummy.
Sabaw.
It's his turn now.
How do you do this?
That's wait. Hindi ka na nadaan yung lettuce.
What?
Hold it sa side.
Tapos lupo ka rin yung
Oh, lagyan mo na ng sauce natin for it.
Wait, I'll put the onions too.
Ay.
Okay, you gotta add some
Tapos ganyan yung kakainin mo, parang suman.
Add stuff.
Water?
One bite.
Uy! Wait, tapos ginamit ka.
Guess you're gonna choke.
You're not even putting anything on your chopsticks. Oh,
That's. Here we go. We got him to be all suck. Labada kapadra.
Found a spoon. I saw the meme. Sa Naruto.
Oh god, I'm full as hell, bro. You stop.
Oh god.
Hindi niya inayos eh. Kasi kung ano na yung agodo pag gano'n. Ano yun eh? Ano sa Iloilo ba yun? Yung parang ulo ko yun. Parang sticky rice.
Stop.
No, what's in there?
Stop spilling.
It's invisible.
You actually stop. Stop putting something in the water.
Ants, are you missing something, Ants?
Stop putting stuff in my food.
Ants, are you a bit thirsty, Ants?
Nilipat niyo naman po
What the
niya.
heck?
Nilipat na to.
I didn't do that, you did. God.
I've completely given up on chopsticks. I'm using a small ass spoon. Joyce, how was your food?
Walang water niya.
It's good.
Okay, Michael, how was your food?
It's good.
Good. Hans, how was your food, buddy? Why you been so like emo, bro?
Paano i-check ang ila visa or something? That's already.
Yung mango sa kanila. Ano naman, chef? Ano naman? Share na lang po.
These are massive.
Ang pangalan. Sa kanila. Ito large.
No, it's not.
Hello.
Kasi may cornflakes siya. Pero ito, pag makakita ng mga
So good. So good. Okay, just finished dinner. Hans, stop. Stop, Hans, stop moving. How was dinner, everybody? Dinner. How was dinner, Jerome? Just finished dinner. Now we're back in our suite. Hans is having a fun time. Show him the robe, man. Show him the robe. Ooh. Show him the robe, man. Show him the robe. Ooh. Whoa. What the hell? What's happening? What? Yeah. So I'm coming into the closet. So probably gonna end the chill with my cousins, and our brothers is still here. Mom and dad are at the casino having more fun. So yeah, it's been great. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.